Let's see how to change your alarm sound on a Samsung phone. Set your alarm time now. Now select alarm day. You can select custom or daily. Now you can select a song directly from Shopify. You can find your favorite songs by searching here. You can select any song from the list. Now go to ringtones. You can select any default ringtone from here. Or you can select a song from your storage. You can select your songs from internal storage folders. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe.